Welcome to RHCSA.GURU. In this lab, you're going to learn how to analyze and store logs in RHCL. You'll explore system logs to monitor activities, manage system time settings, and use the Chrony service to synchronize time with network servers. First, let's check all the log files available on the system. Navigate to the /var/log/directory and display its contents to see the list of log files stored there. Now let's take a look at the logs generated by the DNF package manager. We'll use the more command to view the contents of the dnf.log file. This log keeps track of all package management activities on the system. Run the command more/var/log/dnf.log. To check the current date and time on a Linux system, use date command. Next, let's use the timedatectl command to view the current date and time settings, along with NTP synchronization status. Next, let's check the available options for timedatectl using the help flag. Now let's view all available time zones on the system using the timedatectl command. Run timedatectl list time zones. This will display a list of supported time zones. Next, let's set the system time zone to Asia/Kolkata using the timedatectl command. Run timedatectl set time zone Asia/Kolkata. Now let's install Chrony, which is an NTP implementation used to sync the system clock. Run the dnf install Chrony command. Next, let's start the Chrony service to enable time synchronization. Run the command system-tool start Chrony. This will activate Chrony and begin syncing your system time. Now let's verify if the Chrony service is running. Execute the command system-tool status Chrony. This will display the current status of Chrony. Press Q to exit the status view. Next, let's check the time sources that Chrony is using for synchronization. Run the command chronic sources. This will list the NTP servers Chrony is syncing time from, ensuring accurate system time. Let's check the tracking details of Chrony to see how well the system is synchronized. Run the command chronic tracking. This will display key synchronization information, including the reference ID, stratum level, last offset, etc. To explore the available options and commands for Chrony, use the command chronic help. This will display a list of useful commands that you can use to manage and monitor time synchronization on your system. To stop the Chrony service, use the command system-tool stop Chrony. This will halt time synchronization until the service is restarted. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the exercise. Don't forget to mark the lab as complete to finalize your progress.